Hi besties, make with me mini cheesecake cups. The first thing I have to do is actually get up, which I just did. And I'm going to lay out all of my ingredients. And this recipe said it only takes 5 ingredients and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to, it takes a few minutes just to make it, and it takes 10 to 20 minutes for it to get ready, for the freezer. So this is supposed to take around 30 minutes-ish, I'm guessing. Okay guys, I just laid out all my ingredients. I made sure that I have enough of everything. And the only thing I don't have enough of everything is the cream cheese. We need this whole thing because this is about a cup. We have about a 1/4 cup. So what we're going to do is I asked ChatGPT to divide all of my measurements into 1/4. So divided by 4 for each thing. So I'll have enough for everything. But I'm going to share the actual measurements via what I'm going to put in. So first I'm going to do the crust, but I'm going to do that regularly in whatever we have left. I don't really know what I'm going to do with that. So first he said to crush in a Ziploc bag 2.5 sticks of graham crackers. I don't have graham crackers, sadly, but I'm going to use these. They're like cookies and they taste like graham crackers kind of. And I don't feel like crushing it in a plastic bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a little blender. So I do have graham crackers, but they're literally expired. We have expired stuff in our house. We really have a problem with doing that. So I'm gonna say about 4 of these is 1 graham cracker. So I'm gonna do 8.5. So that means 10. Here's 10 graham crackers, and I'm gonna start it. Gotta blend. It has finished blending. That did not take so long. This is our crust. Now to put that in a bowl. Okay, so there was some bigger chunks, so I took those out. 1 tablespoon of melted butter. If you get this consistency, this is perfect. Now we need the 1/4 cup of cream cheese that we had. So I'm gonna put in whatever is actually in here and see if it's actually a 1/4 cup, because this is 1/2 cup. This is a little bit over of 1/4 cup, but it's okay. Originally, you have to put a full cup of cream cheese. I'm putting in a 1/4 cup. You need 1/2 cup of heavy whipped cream, but I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of heavy whipped cream. Originally, you're supposed to put a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon. They didn't say the measurements of vanilla extract, but you're just supposed to put in a splash, so that's what I'm going to do. Now you're just supposed to mix. Now to use a blender. I finished blending this and this tastes amazing. Now to assemble. I'm going to put cupcake holders in here. Now I'm going to put the crust at the bottom. I just pushed all of them down to the bottom. I only had enough room for 3, but I'm going to go put it in the freezer for 10 to 20 minutes. Come back to part 2 to see the results. Bye guys, love you.